Enjoy reading.
Alex, the world's smartest bird. Alex was an African gray parrot that received training from the animal scientist Irene Pepperberg. He was only a few months old when Pepperberg bought him at a pet store in Chicago in 1976. Before Alex, people believed that parrots were not smart. They thought that parrots just repeated words. Alex changed it all. According to Pepperberg, Alex was as smart as a 5-year-old child. He knew about 150 words, including the names of 50 different objects. He could count up to 6 objects and knew how to distinguish 7 colors and 5 shapes. For example, when Alex was shown 2 red blocks and 3 green blocks and asked, "How many red blocks?" he could correctly answer 2. One day, Alex saw himself in the mirror for the first time. He moved his head back and forth a few times and said, "What's that?" "That's you. You are a parrot," answered Kathy, one of Alex's trainers. Alex looked some more and then asked, "What color?" She said, "Gray. You are a gray parrot, Alex." Alex continued to ask the same question a few more times and learned the color gray. Alex could show various emotions like anger and boredom. For example, if he was tired of tests, he said, "Wanna go back." This meant that he wanted to go back to his cage. Sometimes, Alex gave the wrong answer on purpose. It was another way of saying that he was bored. Alex died on September 6, 2007, at the age of 31. His death was a complete surprise since he looked healthy the day before he died. As Pepperberg put him into his cage for the night, Alex said, "You be good. See you tomorrow. I love you." Those were his last words. Alex transformed the way many people think about bird brains. Since bird brains are small, people often use the expression bird brain to refer to somebody who is not smart. Thanks to Alex, now many people look at bird brains differently.